Hi, amazing creators. Welcome back to Empower to Earn, where we turn everyday skills into real income. Today, I will be showing you how to make a lightweight powder detergent that is eye foaming, gentle yet powerful, safe for washing machine, perfect for laundry and home cleaning. This detergent is best of all, very cost effective at whether you are making for your own home or planning to start your own detergent business. I know you will like to try this formula. Get your paper and pen and watch the video to the end. The first ingredient on my list is soda ash lights. Soda ash lights is a base ingredient into this production. I'll be using 1 kg. Soda ash lights act as a builder, enhancing the cleaning power of surfactants by softening water and adjusting pH. And the next I'm adding right now is my STPP. STPP, I added 100 grams. STPP allowing surfactants to work more effectively at removing dirt and stain. STPP also helps to suspend dirt, preventing it from redepositing on fabrics during washing. It contributes to a higher overall cleaning power of the detergent. And the next I'm adding now is my sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate helps to enhance cleaning power. It neutralizes odors and softens fabrics. It works by increasing the water pH. Sodium bicarbonate, I added just 20 grams. And as I added all these ingredients, I make sure I mix it together very well. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And the next ingredient is sulfonic acid and lye solution, which is caustic soda mixed in a clean water. Caustic soda, I just use 10 grams mixed in 20 grams of water. Then I added it to my sulfonic acid and I stir it together. You can see the reaction of the chemical. As I stir it, I turn it into my mixing bowl to mix it together with other ingredients. The two chemicals mixed together help this detergent to be very light in weight. Sulfonic acid or LAPSA is a key ingredient in washing detergent powder due to its strong cleaning and surfactant properties. Also has ability to work well even in hard water. As I'm mixing both chemicals together, the reaction is very hot. You have to gently mix it before you continue mixing it together very well. The mixing of all the ingredients together, it's what brings about the light weight in this powder detergent. You need to do the mixing very well. You will mix it and mix it until all the chemicals react together, until the sulfonic acid and lye solution mix together very well with the other chemical. That is when you will feel the lightweight and perfect exactly how you want the detergent to react. So you continue mixing it. This will take a longer time, but you need to do the mixing very well. You mix it and mix it and mix it. So at the end of the day, even you will feel the texture that is very light before adding the next ingredient. And the next ingredient I'm adding now is my sodium sulfate. I added sodium sulfate 180 grams. And as I added it, I continue stirring it. I stir my sodium sulfate together with other ingredients. Sodium sulfate acts as a flow agent, preventing the powder from clumping and ensuring it distributes evenly during using. That it is not allow the detergent powder to stick or clump together. Then the next thing I'm adding is my foam booster, which is my SLS water. I added SLS water 100 ml into the powder detergent. I first added the half of the water, then make sure I mix it together very well before adding the other SLS water into it. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Comment, like, and share this video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing video like this. In this particular detergent formulation, you need to have this ability of mixing well. Do not skip it at all. That is why I want you to see all the process of mixing, because the more you mix it, the lighter the weight will become. So then I'll be adding my other SLS water. Remember, SLS water is just 100 ml. I divide it into two parts, added the first part, then mix it very, very well before adding the last part of my SLS water. Then I continue mixing it. You need to mix it even more than 5 minutes. You stir it together very, very well until it's well combined. This powdered detergent is the most simplest powder detergent formulation and almost the best. Is instant dry powder detergent. Very, very light in weight and also foams excessively. You can try this formula at home. Do it yourself. You can even start business with this formula. Believe me, it will give you a lot of profit. So don't hesitate to watch it to the end. And make sure you write all the ingredients out. Go to where they are selling all the soap chemical nearby. Get all the ingredients and mix it together, just the way you see me doing it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. The next ingredient I'm adding is my perfume, which is fragrance. You can have any fragrance of your choice. Fragrance, I added just 10 ml. 10 ml is enough for this production. Add your fragrance, then mix it together. The purpose of adding fragrance into your detergent powder is to leave clothes smelling fresh and clean after washing it. You can now add your color specules if you want to add color to it. You know, color is an optional. But in today's production, I'm not adding any color. But in case you want to know how to make your color specules, check this video. This video that pop up from your screen, you can get this video on my YouTube channel. Check the video, watch it, and you will learn how to make your own color specules. So at this point, you can add your color specules to it. And after add your color speckle to it, you gently mix it. Then you will allow it to dry for, let's say, 12 to 24 hours. You can air dry it, you can sun dry it, and it's even ready to use. That is why we say it's instant dry detergent powder. It's very, very easy to dissolve in the water. It's not hard to dissolve. As soon as you add it to the water, to your washing water, it's easily dissolved. So as it is now, you can use it to wash. Now, let me test the foaming ability. I added little to this clean water. As you can see it, I added it to it. The good thing about this detergent, it dissolves easily. So take a look at it. You can see that this detergent powder foams very, very well. It foams well. It lathers a lot. You can practice it. It will save you money or even earn you money if you do it for commercial purpose. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. It will always notify you when we drop another amazing tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.